I am that I am. The unseen that dwells within, and the sin that walks without. I am the ill mind, best hype man alive. The modern mind is no longer shaped in silence. It is shaped by the scroll. Every swipe, every like, every notification is not random. It is a design. Social media does not show you the world. It quietly reshapes how you see it. It tells you what is important, what is beautiful, what is success. And over time, you begin to measure your life through a screen. Your attention becomes currency. Your focus becomes fragmented. Your thoughts no longer fully your own. The more you consume, the less you question. And the less you question, the easier you are to influence. But awareness changes everything. The moment you observe what you consume, you begin to reclaim your mind. Because social media is a tool. It can either program you or empower you. The choice is not in the app. It is in your awareness. So ask yourself, are you using it, or is it using you?